Industry research often requires the use of NAICS codes to efficiently access industry data from various business research databases. NAICS, which stands for North American Industry Classification System, is a 6-digit coding system used to categorize companies based on their industry. In this tutorial, I will show you how to locate an industry's NAICS code using the United States Census Bureau's online NAICS search tool. To begin, open a web browser and enter the following URL into your address bar at the top of the browser: census.gov/NAICS. Press enter to be taken to the website. Now that we're on the NAICS page, let's look for the area to the left that says 2017 NAICS Search. You'll see other search boxes for 2012 and 2007 because NAICS codes are updated every 5 years. We want the most recent codes, so we're going to stick with a 2017 search. When selecting our search keywords, let's try to think of 1 or 2 defining words for our industry. The shorter and more to the point, the better. Let's say we want to find the NAICS code for used tire dealerships. In the 2017 NAICS search box, we'll type the keywords used tire and hit enter. Our results show a list of NAICS codes and their corresponding industry descriptions. This search yielded 2 options: used tires, motor vehicle, merchant wholesalers, or used tire dealers. Let's click on the code for used tire dealers because that seems to best match our industry. We are taken to a page with the official 2017 NAICS definition for code 441320, tire dealers. Let's carefully assess the provided definition to be sure it reflects our desired industry. In this case, it looks like we have successfully acquired our NAICS code and may now jot it down for future reference, as we will need this code to move forward in our industry research. For more help, reach out to us at library.cscc.edu.